Ingredients for this recipe: 2 pounds boneless turkey breast, trimmed and ready to season. 1 tablespoon olive oil for the turkey marinade. 1 teaspoon kosher salt to season the turkey. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1 cup packed fresh flat leaf parsley for the chimichurri. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh oregano for the chimichurri. 3 cloves of garlic, finely minced for the chimichurri. 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar for the chimichurri. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes to add a little heat. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice for the turkey and 1/2 cup olive oil for the chimichurri. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat the 2 pounds boneless turkey breast dry with paper towels and trim any excess fat, about 1 to 2 minutes of gentle work. Lightly pound the turkey to an even thickness using the flat side of a heavy pan, about 3 minutes, to ensure even cooking in the microwave. In a small bowl whisk 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper and 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice until combined, about 30 seconds. Rub the marinade evenly over the turkey breast, making sure both sides are coated, then let it rest at room temperature for 10 minutes to absorb flavor. Chop 1 cup packed fresh flat leaf parsley and 1 tablespoon fresh oregano together, then add 3 cloves of garlic finely minced, about 2 to 3 minutes of chopping. In a bowl combine the chopped herbs and garlic with 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1/2 cup olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Stir to emulsify for about 30 seconds and season with a pinch of salt to taste. Place the turkey breast in a shallow microwave-safe glass dish and pour any remaining marinade over it, ensuring the breast is seated evenly in the dish. Cover the dish loosely with a microwave-safe plate or lid, leaving a small vent. This keeps moisture while preventing splatter. Cook the turkey in the microwave on medium power for 10 minutes, then pause and carefully flip the breast over. Return the dish to the microwave and cook on medium power for an additional 8 minutes. Check the internal temperature with a thermometer inserted into the thickest part. The turkey must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If it is below that temperature, microwave at medium power in 2-minute increments until it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the turkey rest covered for 10 minutes after cooking. This lets the juices redistribute and finishes internal carryover cooking. Slice the rested turkey breast into even 1/4-inch slices across the grain and arrange on a warm white ceramic plate. Spoon the chimichurri over the sliced turkey, using 3 to 4 tablespoons, then serve immediately. Enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Microwave turkey breast with Argentine chimichurri, ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick international dishes.